గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం.
Thank you all for coming here today. First and foremost, thank you Dil Raju Garu. I mean, for readily accepting, to be bringing this film to the wonderful audience in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. We actually called him very late. We were setting up the project, we were sort of putting it together, and very late we called him, and I called him one day and I said, "Sir, my film." He said, yeah, it's done. So thank you for the confidence, and thank you for why I'm saying thank you is because it takes people like Dil Raju Garu to really understand that this film is not just another film from our industry. This is a project where the entire Malayalam film industry is aspiring to really push our boundaries. We have not tried something like this before, so we really hope that this is the beginning of a lot of things for us. And one very important thing that I would really like to tell you is, usually when you ask a director, so which version of your film should we see? The director usually says, try and catch the original version with subtitles. That is the most honest version. But for this particular film, I'm going to be confident enough to tell you, for my Telugu-speaking friends, please watch the Telugu version. Because we've really made an effort, we've really put in an effort to try and make the Telugu version as honest as possible, as authentic as possible. Both versions Dil Raju Garu will release in Hyderabad and Telangana and all over Andhra Pradesh. But if you're a Telugu-speaking film lover, I would love for you to go and watch the Telugu version of this film. This is, of course, the second part of Lucifer. When we did Lucifer in 2019, we did not have an all-India release and all that. We only released the Malayalam version first, and it was not like a pan-Indian release and all that. Lucifer then went on to garner a lot of love and adoration from film lovers after it premiered on a streaming service. So it is your love, your acceptance for Lucifer that made this project possible. But today, as we are at the fag end of the promotional campaign and going to release a film, one thing I'm really happy about is we have now managed, for the second part of the franchise, to properly give it a release all over the country and all over the world. And the acceptance and the anticipation and the excitement ever since the ticket booking has opened is actually caught all of us by surprise. I mean, we were confident and we were expecting, people were excited, and then the ticket bookings would be good. But this is truly beyond all our imagination. So thank you so much. And I really, really hope and pray on the 27th of March, you will go to the theaters with your family and your friends, and you will really enjoy what you're seeing. And only if this becomes a big, big hit, can I make part 3, like Dil Raju Garu said. And a lot of love to Telugu cinema and audience. I'm not saying this because I'm in Hyderabad, okay? I mean, I really, I've only done what, I've done a Telugu film, a Tamil-Telugu bilingual like 10-15 years back. Then after that, I've had the opportunity to be a part of multiple Telugu films, just did not happen, and finally Salar happened. Salar happened, and regarding this boy here, Kartikeya, late one night at 1 a.m., Prashant sends me a message saying, "Are you asleep?" I said, "No." Then he said, "I'm going to send you something." So then he sends me a shot that he is shot on his mobile phone from the monitor. So it's a shot of Kartikeya, young Varadaraja Mannar. So removing his kada and throwing it where he is offering his kingdom for Deva. Yeah. So Prashant sent me that shot. I immediately called him back and said, "Do whatever you want with him soon, because I'm taking him." So that's how I cast him in this film. And he's a wonderful, wonderful young actor. I'd be really disappointed if he does not go on to become a big star here. So I'm counting on you to do that. And all of us across the country, especially in Kerala, we are very envious of the audience here because of the kind of love and excitement you have for cinema. When we talk of film industries in India right now, the fact of the matter is Telugu cinema is essentially a regional film industry, but today it could be India's biggest industry, and that is because of the audience here. Producers like Dil Raju Garu can today think of 500-600 crore films because of you guys. And I really hope Empuran is the beginning of such a journey for Malayalam cinema. And I really hope that, we find love from all across the country. And hopefully, we will soon, like Dilraju sir said, Salar? Salar too? Yeah, of course. Hopefully, we'll all be eventually celebrating Indian cinema together. So thank you so much.
సార్ తెలుగులో ఏదైనా ఒక్క డైలాగ్ చెప్పొచ్చు కదా, ఒక్క డైలాగ్ ఏదైనా.
I actually know very long dialogues in Telugu, but it's from a film that I cannot talk about.
థ్యాంక్ యూ పృథ్వీరాజ్ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు ఆయన మాట్లాడే టైం వచ్చేసి